Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Amanda the Adventurer. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes with 2 circles. Next, inside each one, let's draw another smaller circle in the top right. And then behind this one, in the center, let's draw another circular curve. And then let's color the middle section in black. Next, above each eye, let's add a curve like this. Then let's start from the inside and let's thicken it up by curving it out and then bringing it down at the end. And let's do the same on the right. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the nose with a small curve across. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve across. And then a U-shaped curve underneath. Next, inside, let's draw a curve across the top for the teeth. And then a curve at the bottom for the tongue. Next, let's hop up and draw the eyebrows. Above each eye, let's add a small curve. Then let's bring it over and down. And the same thing underneath. Next, let's hop to the sides and draw the shape of the face. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve down towards the center. And the same thing from the right. Now let's do the same thing up and curve it in to close off the top of the head. Next, let's move inside and draw the hair. Let's start on the left side and let's draw an S-shaped curve up above the eyebrows. And the same on the right. And now let's connect it with a curve across. Next, let's finish your hair by drawing the 2 buns on top. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a circular curve out and back in. And the same thing on the top right. And lastly, for the head, let's add the ears by drawing curves on both sides. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. We'll start with 2 lines down for the neck. and then underneath a U-shaped curve. Now let's draw a curve down on both sides for the shoulders. Now let's hop down on the left side and let's draw the left arm. Let's start with an angle down and back in for the sleeve. And then let's draw a bent line up and out. And the same thing underneath for the arm. Now let's draw the hand. From the top line, let's draw an S-shaped curve out and then curve it back in for the thumb. Then from the bottom line, let's curve it out, up, and then back in for the second finger. And then close off the hand with 2 more fingers like this. Now let's hop back to the middle and let's draw 2 lines down for the sides of the shirt. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop over and draw the right arm. Let's start with the curve in for the sleeve. Then add 2 angled lines down for the arm. Now at the end, let's add the hand. From the inside line, let's draw a curve down and back up for the thumb. Then a bent curve down and back up to close off the hand. And that's it for the upper body. Next, let's move back in and draw the shorts. From under the shirt, let's draw 2 angles down. Then from the bottom, let's curve it in from both sides, leaving a gap in the middle. Then let's draw a line up, curve it over, and back down to close off the shorts. Now underneath, let's draw 2 lines down on both sides for the legs. Then a curve across the bottom of each one. Now inside, let's add another curve near the bottom here for the socks. Now let's add the shoes. On the bottom of each leg, let's draw diagonal lines down and out. And then a curve across the bottom. And then let's add the sole of the shoe by adding 2 small lines down and then curves at the bottom. And lastly, inside each shoe, let's draw a curved rectangle shape. And that's it for Amanda. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!